Hi, this is Arun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will tell you how to create Flutter projects on VS Code. So let's visit on Google first. VS Code download from the official website, and you can open this website first. And here you can see you can download for Mac, Windows. So I have Mac, so I will download this. I already downloaded actually. So you can download it from here and install it. Once you will install, then open the terminal command. How you can open it, I will show you in the shortcut of the open the terminal command. Press command and space and press the terminal. Here you need to go your folder where you wanted to create your projects. Like I will create my projects, desktop, iOS app. This is my folder where I will create new Flutter projects. So I can see here it's that command is inside the folder. Now we need to run flutter create and project name test flutter project. So okay, jazz command is not found because I'm working on bash profile. So let me switch first using this command to my terminal. Now I switched, and now I can create Flutter projects. Flutter create test my Flutter project. Okay, the project is created. Now you need to go inside the project, test my Flutter project. Once you're inside the folder, then you need to put what command to open directly your folder in the VS Code. So code dot press enter. So this project is open now. Okay, so you can see all the folders is there. So the main is there, lib. If you can see, this is the main. So let's run it. Open the terminal. So you have, if you wanted to run this project, then you need first simulator. Simulator to test the application. It's based on you. You are going to use Android application or you are going to iOS application. I'll show you. I will open it first simulator. How I can open it, and there is a command open a hyphen simulator. Okay, let me clear my window. Open a simulator. Okay, you can see the simulator is open now. If you want right now, actually you can see it here, iPhone 11 Pro Max. I will run my project. If you want it to run on the different, then once you open the simulator, then you can go here, open the simulator, and you can open it other one also, other version. So now if you can see, this simulator is already connected here. So let's run now. Flutter run command is to open the project in the simulator. So it will take some time to open it. So let's wait for it. It's running here. It will take a minute. So now you can see the project is open now. If you wanted to change this, it will increase 1, then you can come here and change the value of number it should add at a one time. If you can see it here and scroll down, there is a hard-coded value will be like this 0. Can add 10 here. Now if you wanted to refresh your simulator, then you need to press here. If you can see R is the reload. I'll press R, capital R, or restart. Now you can see it here 10. So it started from 10. Every time it will add 1 plus this. Or if you wanted to add 10 numbers, then you can give here plus 10 counter. Yeah, just start it again. 10, 20, 30 will it. Thank you for watching this video.